Welcome to Turntable Class with GB Audio. On the bench today I've got a Thorens TD126 Mk2, a Swiss transcription belt drive turntable from the 70s, and this is in pretty nice condition. There's good suspension there. It's got a TP16 tone arm. This one's fitted with an Ortofon VMS20 cartridge, which was very popular back in the day. Quick look around the deck. I've got the on-off switch here. Takes a moment for the deck to start up. Once it gets going, I've got a choice of 33 RPM, 45 and even 78. I can hear a bit of a scratching noise there, which doesn't bode well. We'll look at that in a moment. Also on the front panel we've got a stroboscope viewing window, which we'll come to in a moment. The pitch control for the speed, a switch marked ML for motor off and lift when the arm gets to the end of an LP. Center position is lift only, and the 0 is fully manual. These three switches control whether the arm is in the lower position, the up position, or the up position with the motor off. So if we switch it on, it comes on automatically in the arm raised position. This is the lower, and this button does arm raise with the motor turned off. So let's have a look, see what's causing that rubbing noise. I'll take off the mat first, and then the outer platter. Okay, let's zoom in to see this. There is the problem. The belt has been dressed incorrectly. It should be on the other side of this plastic guide. There are two plastic guides, one going in and one going out of the motor. That should now run quietly, and it is. However, this belt is a little bit slack. It's also a little bit shiny, so I'm going to replace that. Before we put the new belt on, let's just lift off the hub out of its and bearing out of its housing. Have a wee look at that. It's very nice and clean and has oil on it. So if this were mucky or dry, we'd need to clean it and lubricate it, but this looks fine. You can also see around here there are stroboscope dots. That's for the speed control, and I shall show you that in a moment. I'll pop this back on, and it just settles down nicely. You can feel there's a wee bit of an airlock there, and as it turns it just settles down onto the bearing. That's lovely, exactly how it should be. So here's our new belt. Belt 25, hooks through the plastic guides on the inside and round the hub, and then a couple of turns and it should settle into position. I can now put the main platter back on and the rubber mat. Now we should see a somewhat better operation. Let's have a look in this little window down here, and we can see this is the strobe light reflected by a mirror. And that allows us to adjust the pitch finely until the strobe lights are static, and that tells us we're on the right speed. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you found it useful, please subscribe to our channel down below, and good luck setting up your own Thorens.